Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Adwords for shopping campaign. To get started, sign in to Google Ads. In the page menu on the left, click Campaigns. Click the plus new, then select New Campaign. Choose Sales as the goal for your campaign. For campaign type, choose Shopping. Select your Merchant Center account and the country in which these products are sold. Select Smart Shopping Campaign and click Continue. Now, name your campaign and include your budget. If you have a specific performance goal, check the box to add a target return on ad spend. Next, choose specific products or group of products that you'd like to advertise in your campaign. Adding all of your products into a single campaign can make it easier to manage. Keep in mind, if you do not designate specific products or groups, all of your products will be eligible to appear in your ads. If you have very different products or budgets for specific products or groups of products, it's recommended to split these groups into separate campaigns with separate budgets. Keep in mind that the products used in your campaign should have a history of 100 conversions in the last 30 days whenever possible. Lastly, upload your assets such as a logo, image, and text. Click Save and you're all set. These assets will be used to create responsive remarketing ads for Google Display and YouTube. And that's how you use Google Ads for shopping campaign. If you like this kind of video and want to be updated for new tutorial, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.